Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how you can create a timeline in Trello. This is your ultimate 2025 guide, so let's get started. First things first, you need to log into your Trello account. If you don't have one, it's quick and easy to set up. This is your starting point, and it's crucial because Trello is the platform where you'll create your timeline. Once you're logged in, look for the Create button on the top right-hand corner of your dashboard. Clicking on this button will give you several options. You want to select Create a new board. Boards are where your lists and cards live in Trello. They form the foundation of your timeline. Now that we've done that, it's time to add some lists to your board. Think of lists as the different stages or categories of your timeline. The reason we do this is to organize our tasks effectively. To add a list, click on the plus sign in the top right corner of your board and choose Add a List. Next up, we'll populate these lists with cards. Cards represent individual tasks or events on your timeline. Add a card by clicking on the Add a Card option under your list. This step helps us because cards provide the detailed view of your timeline, allowing you to track progress and collaborate with your team. After you've added all your cards, it's time to put them in chronological order. The beauty of Trello is that you can simply drag and drop them to rearrange. You do this to ensure your timeline flows logically, which is key for effective project management. Finally, to give your timeline a visual edge, let's enable the Timeline power-up. Click on Show menu, select Power-ups, and then choose Timeline. This helps us because the Timeline power-up will visualize your cards in a Gantt-like view, making it easier to understand your project's timeline at a glance. And there you have it. You now know how to create a timeline on Trello. This is a game changer for project management, helping you track progress, manage tasks, and collaborate with your team more efficiently. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy organizing.